Do you ever sit and watch YouTube cooking videos and think, wow, that looks really good, I could do that? I was watching this guy's channel, I found it recently, Ralph the Baker, I think that's what it's called, yeah. He makes some pretty good looking food on his channel, and I saw this video for flat top pizzas the other day, and I thought we'd give it a try on our channel. I'm going to first show you the short that I saw of him making it, and then I'll show you my version. I watched this 28-second video online. I thought this looked pretty good and easy to do and thought I'd give it a try.
Alright, y'all. I'm about to show you one of my favorite snacks on the grill, baby. Let's go. Go ahead and hit it with the buck. For this recipe, go ahead on, y'all. Put it on low. Go up on it with a tortilla, y'all. Go up on it, y'all, with your favorite little pizza sauce now. Italian seasoning, y'all. Black pepper and a little salt now. Go ahead. Be generous with that mozzarella cheese. And some pepperonis. Go ahead on, y'all. Cover that up 5 minutes. Alright, check it out. I'm gonna cut it in half so you can see the backside, babe.
I'm browning some spicy Italian sausage for the flat top pizza I'm going to make here in a minute. This is what I'm going to use for the pizza sauce. I got a good deal on it. These are the tortillas I'm going to use for the pizza crust. Got some mozzarella cheese also, and plenty of garlic. After removing my sausage from the pan, I just threw down some pieces of pepperoni just to crisp them up a little bit and remove a little bit of the grease. Alright, I got my pizza made. I figured you didn't need to see that. All I did was I put some of the red sauce down, put some mozzarella cheese on, put my pepperoni and sausage, and then sprinkled a little mozzarella cheese on top of that. I seasoned it with some Italian seasoning, and also put a little SPG, garlic, pepper, and salt on it. Alright, we got the grill on low here. Put some butter down. Give that a chance to melt. Just a sec to sizzle. Got the grill on at about 245, 250 right now. We want it low because we don't want to burn this. Alright, now we're going to put that right in the butter. Put my lid on here. And we're going to put just a touch of water in this back section here. Some steam. That steam will collect underneath there. We'll set this for 5 minutes. I'll be back. Alright, let's see what we got. Again, this is my first time doing it this way. Did you hear that? We got a crunch. Alright. I'm going to pause this for a second so I can let it cool so I don't burn the roof of my mouth. Alright. Here's our first piece. That nice butter flaky golden fried bottom. Let's give her a taste. It's hot on my fingers. Oh my. That's honestly a lot better than I expected it to be. That's a happy surprise. Gotta try my cam.
How hot is it though? Oh, it's so hot.
What do you think? The crust came out pretty good though, did it?
Mm-hmm.
Flaky. Wow. Yeah, look, that bottom came out perfect. So I watched a lot of videos on YouTube of different ways you can make a pizza on your flat top grill or a cast iron pan. And of all the different ways I tried, this way here I thought looked the best, and man, it really came out good. Again, this is my first try. There are a couple tweaks here and there I might make, but man, it really came out good. Like, subscribe, and share. See ya. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.